Sigo to corrido. I have chosen you, and you are my lights in this lost and dying world. Fear not, for I've gone before you. I'm at your side, and I will go behind you. You give my words as I have given them to you to give, and you fear not. No, I am there. I have those ready to hear what you have to say. Do not fear what I give you to say. You love, you encourage, and you bless those around you. There are those who need to hear about me. Don't, don't, don't hold back. Go and love in my name. In my name. Be a light. Be a light to this lost world. It's interesting. It's very vehement.